Good morning, everyone. It's nice and sunny here in Windsor, and today we have an event to go to, the Earth Day event at Bryerswood Youth Camp. I'll just pull up a map here. It's in Amherstburg. It's about a 20-minute drive from here, but really nice to enjoy, and we'll head over there just now. Of course, our vehicle, as we're going to take, fully charged up, so let's hit the road. Okay, so we have arrived at the Bryerswood Youth Camp in Amherstburg, Ontario. We're just joining here with EV Society and a few other groups. There are lots of electric vehicles here and plug-in hybrids of all years. So yeah, let's go check that out.
My name is Nicole Matchett and I'm the owner of Torian EV Charging Solutions Inc. We are Windsor-Essex first woman-owned EVSE retailer. Today we are at the Bryerswood Earth Day event with a lot of other great vendors. We have the Electric Vehicle Society with all these great EVs lined up for you to come and check out. What we are doing today is kind of just introducing our business to Windsor-Essex. So what we do, like I had already said, is we sell electric vehicle equipment. So like this one here, this is a level 2 charger. This is what EV and PHEV drivers use to charge up their vehicle. So instead of going to the gas station, they can hook up to one of these if they install it at their home, or if they go to a DC fast charger, kind of like the ones that you'll see alongside maybe the highway, or if you are from Windsor, across the street from Davinci Mall, there's an IV charger in that parking lot. You can hook up to that and charge up nicely. So what we're trying to do is just bring more awareness around the different types of chargers that you can get for your electric vehicle and help our customers through the entire process of not only purchasing the charger, but also having it installed with the help of our certified subcontractors, our electrician, our construction, and we also work with a paving company. So yeah, we started this business after I gave birth to my son in May 2021. We realized that we really wanted to just rev up our eco-friendly practices, and we thought, what better way to do that in the automotive capital of Canada to get into electric vehicles. So we decided to get into selling the chargers to help people just charge up a lot more quickly. So yeah.